and welcome back to my channel. So today we bought a huge package from Jenna Lyn, and we got 2 of them. And we also got a review package the next day. So in this video, I will just be showing you guys what we bought from Jenna Lyn, and then tomorrow's video will be the review package. So let's get started. And don't forget, I will link their website down below, so make sure you go check out their website. Let's open this first. Oh my gosh, it's the hedgehog! Oh my goodness, look how big it is. It's like bigger than my head. And he's holding like a little mushy head. It's so big though. So let's take him out. So soft. Whoa. He kind of smells like peanuts. And he's super cute, and like it feels so weird, like he's going like this. It's like the texture feels really cool. And it is so super soft. And his face is just so cute. Oh my gosh, look, it's the hamster! I've been waiting for this hamster to come in for so long. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. So let's see, this is made by Popular. And this is Fat Polly. Fat Polly. And then there's like a little comic on the back. It's super cute. And the packaging is super cute. And I just love hamsters. That I'm trying to collect all the hamster squishies. So let's open this hamster up. Look how big it is. He's so soft. Oh my goodness. So we got a pink little hamster, and it's got like a purple stripe down. And it is like so cute. Oh my gosh, it smells so sweet. It almost smells like a lollipop. And it's even got a little tail. Okay, so this next item is made by Cutie Creative. And look how cute this unicorn is. It's a unicorn mermaid. Ooh. Even got like the bra. It's really cute, and oh, it says on the back, uni means rainbow in Japanese. Whoa, I did not know that. Interesting fact. So let's take it out. Whoa, look at the hair. This is so cool. It's really soft too. And I can't really explain that. Can't really smell it that much. But it just smells like one of those normal squishies. Oh, it's made by Punimaru. It's the little cheeky monkey. And it's made by Punimaru here. And look how cute this little monkey is. Oh my gosh, it's so rising. And it says designed by Bunny Squisher. So let's take them out. Oh my gosh, it comes with like a ball chain, and it's got like a little monkey at the bottom with a strawberry. So I'm guessing this smells like strawberries. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my god, that smells so good. And here's the licensing on the head. And it's super slow rising. Ooh, so here is the chicken out of the egg, and look how big it is. Oh my gosh, it's so slow rising. So here's the little bag. It's made by Deco May shop. So they're there. And it says Hatchy. So it's a little Hatchy. And oh my gosh, it's so soft and like marshmallowy, and it literally feels like air. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. So it smells like really good bread. Okay, so the next item is made by Creamy Candy, of course. You can tell by the Yummy Bear. So this is the Yummy Bear. It is super cute. Look at the colorfulness. And I think this one's in a cup. But look at the packaging, it's so cute. There's like different ones in different cups. Looks like we got the rainbow one. So let me take it out. Oh, this is made by Creamy Candy and Punimaru. So I think it's like a collab. Whoa, it's like a spoon. So it comes with a little keychain spoon with a clear dust plug and a pink ball chain. Oh my gosh, whoa. That smells so good. It smells like oranges. Oh. So here's the cute little cup. It's got like the little chocolate, the little heart in it. It's got like whipped cream on it. Super cute. And his facial expression is like the cutest. Here's the licensing. And the cup is like really pretty. This unicorn is so cute. Look how cute this unicorn is. So it comes with a tag and it says Kawaii Squishy. Look how cute the tag is. It's got like a unicorn with a lot of rainbows. And here's the back. So here's the cute little unicorn. It's got like cute wings and a horn. Okay, so I'm just gonna take it out like this, but look how metallic it is. It's so pretty. And the rainbow on the back is just so pretty. It kind of smells like blueberries. So the next one I have for you guys is made by Punimaru, and it is a super cute unicorn donut. And it says unicorn animal donuts down here. So let's take it out because I can't really squish it in here. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Whoa. And this is the jumbo donut. So let me take this out. Oh, so it comes with a keychain. It's got like this little unicorn cup. And it's got a purple ball chain with a clear dust plug. So that is cute. And then we got the unicorn donut. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it smells like bananas. It smells so good. And then we got the Punimaru licensing right there. But this is so cute. Okay, on to the second bag. We have this cute hamster. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. He's even holding a little seed. Look how cute, and the packaging is so cute. Oh my goodness, look at the back says like, do not eat me. It says, do not torture me. Do not throw me away. And do not throw me away again. So that's really cute. And this is Polly the hamster. They did have other kinds. Oh, and this is made by Popular hamster brand. And this hamster is so cute. So let's open it and get a better look. Oh my gosh, look at the keychain. It's a hamster mermaid. So it's got like a cute hamster mermaid with a pink ball chain and a clear dust plug. Over there. Look how cute this hamster is. And it's super chubby. And this one kind of looks like the really big hamster over here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it was the really big hamster. We got the pink one. But look how cute this one is. So chubby. It's got a little sunflower seed. Whoa. It kind of smells like cherries. Okay, so it turns out that this is just a fatter version of this hamster. So they're the same hamsters, but this one is fatter. But to me, they're both chubby. But it turns out these are actually, this one is named Molly, not Polly. And there's another one. This one, the gray one, it's called Polly. So it's kind of confusing, but they have like different names, Molly and Polly. Okay, so I have another hamster squishy for you guys, and this is Polly. And this is a Yummy Polly ice cream. And it looks like Creamy Candy and Cootie Maro collabed again. But look how cute the little hamster is. And it says, Yummy Bear and Polly became ice cream. Oh, that's really cute. So here's the cute little hamster. He really looks alright, I think. So let's take him out to get a better look. Oh my goodness. So cute. Look at it. So chubby. And it comes with this keychain also. Put this there. But here's the keychain. It's like a little ice cream stack. It's got a dust plug and a ball chain. So here's the cute little hamster. It's got like strawberries, a whipped cream on it, and the ice cream. It's just super cute. It's got an ice cream cone. Oh my goodness, super soft. These squishies are like very awesome. Whoa. It kind of does smell like ice cream, like the ice cream cone. It smells really good. So we got Molly as the ice cream. Yummy Polly, or Yummy Molly. So here's the Molly. Very squishy. So let's open it. Oh, so it comes with the same keychain. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like strawberries. But you got the little strawberry and the whipped cream with chocolate drizzle on top. It's got the little cone down here. Super chubby. And the cheeks are so cute. I have another hamster squishy for you guys. Surprise, surprise. So we got Polly eating a watermelon. And it's also got a cute little comic on the back, which I'll show you guys after it rises. Okay, so here's the back. It's got like a cute little comic. It's like, why am I still feeling hungry? And it's like on the beach. It's like, this packaging is super cute. It's made by Popular, of course. So here's the hamster. So surprising. Take it out. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Look at the body! It comes with this keychain with Polly sitting next to a slice of watermelon. got a ball chain and the dust plug. And let me smell. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like watermelon. It smells so good. I love these hamster squishies. And the watermelon on here, it looks so real. Okay, so the next squishy is a big squishy, and this is made by Pat Pat Zoo. It's the really cute dog. So it's Paw Paw Puppy. It's very surprising. And then on the other side, it says, dogs are family, never abandoned. So you put the little dog on the back. And then it says, do not burn, do not abandon, and do not eat. So let's take it out. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's got like a little tail on the back. And this is so big, it's like bigger than my head. It smells like a normal squishy, but it's so cute, like so cute. And we also got Pat Pat Zoo here. And then we got a blue Pat Pat Zoo. So I'll add that to my collection. Okay, so the next item we got is this unicorn here, and it's made by Kiru. There. And this unicorn is so big, and it's super cute. And the packaging is like so cute. Look how much is going on. So let's open it up to get a better look. Whoa, look at that. It's so soft, and it's got like little hearts there. Whoa, this is like so soft. And here's the licensing. So it kind of smells like a normal squishy, but like it's so cute. The next item is made by Popular and Oho. So that's cool. And I think this is the Lonely Sheep. Oh yeah, look at all the sheep playing over here, and then the Lonely Sheep over here. And this is designed by Yanni. There. Oh, let's give it a twist. And then let's open it up. Oh. Look how cute it is. And it's kind of heavy. Let's open it up. Oh, look how cute it is. So here's the sheep. It's a lonely sheep, so it's crying. But it won't be lonely anymore because we'll give him a home here. Oh, let's put him over here. Next to Pat Pat Zoo. Okay, so the last item is this dumpling here. And it is like really stretchy and fun to play with. It's like a stress toy. Whoa, it looks like something's inside of there. But it's really cool, and it looks so real. Like, look at that. And on the bottom, it's even got like the little burns. Oh, and it's got a ball chain. So yeah, and this is super fun to stretch and just play around with. The thing I just love about ordering from Jenna Lyn is that they come with these really cute bags, and they also come with like different color bags. And look how cute the bag is, has like cute animals on it. And they also have very good extras. Like look how much she sent, and the bag is just so cute. So we got like fun dips, nerds. We got this really cute little pencil to write with. Oh my gosh, it even has this thing, or this little badge right here, or keychain. It's got the Jenna Lyn logo. It's super cute. They also got this thank you note card, or a postcard, and the dog is super cute. And we got some really cool stuff. And we also got some notepads. Look at the little note cards. So cute. It says, what will happen today? It's some candy and some really cute little stickers. A lot of just random stickers. And so guys, sadly, we are running out of time to film. So don't forget that we have a review package from them that we will be posting tomorrow. So make sure you watch out for that. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to do in the next video. Bye!